Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. So today is Thursday, 6th of November. Alright, so we're going to start off with four main currency pairs, starting off with the dollar against the Japanese yen. So this is a 4-hourly chart. So what happens is that price has appreciated and touches one of the exhaustion level that we have on at the price of 115.34, and it came down to the price of 114.43 currently. All right, so if price were to retrace a little bit even further with the Fibonacci retracement being plotted here, the first level we're going to look at is the support level of 113.20. And if it cuts further down, then of course we shall look at the retracement level of 38.2%, where by then the 55 moving averages will cut across this level as well. Alright, so that might provide a strong support level. Alright, but of course the first level we shall look at is the 113.20. Alright, and of course if price were to appreciate further, then the first level we shall look at is 117.93. Alright, that is a good, well, 200 to 300 over pips away. So that is for the dollar against the Japanese yen. Next we shall take a look at the euro against the US dollar. So prices came down almost touching the previous bottom, and then it started to rebound off and got back into the previous falling trend channel. Alright, so we are expecting the price to retrace further, so we shall plot a Fibonacci retracement. And so the first level we would like to look at is the retracement level of 38.2% again, right at the price of 1.2608. And zooming into a 1-hourly chart, right, with the Fibonacci retracement, we can also look at the price of 1.2563, which is also the retracement level of 30.2% in the 1-hourly chart, followed by the 61.8% at the price of 1.2641, which is also the top of the falling trend channel. Okay. Yep, so that is for the euro against the dollar. Well, just take note that we are gonna have the minimum bid rates later on at 8:45 p.m. plus 8 GMT. Well, expected the bid rate to stay to remain the same is already low enough anyway, and followed by the ECB press conference. So the key thing is whether the ECB is gonna expand further on the monetary policy stimulus, or rather their balance sheet. But if that happens, then of course we'll see euro to fall even further, and if not, we might see some retracement for tonight. So next we shall touch on the pound against the US dollar. So price actually fell, touches the bottom, the previous low at 1.5885, and then it rebounded off. So over here you can see actually there was something like a range over here. So we are seeing the price is retracing at the moment. So the first resistance level we would like to look at is the 200 moving averages. Alright, it has been proven to be pretty a pretty strong resistance, as you can see at these two areas. And if not, if it breaks above, then of course we will look at the price of 1.6174. Right, and if it falls further from here, later on we have the asset purchase facility and the official bank rate, followed by the bank the MPC rate statement. And later at 5:50, and earlier on at 5:30, we have the manufacturing production as well. So those are gonna have some effect on the pound. So if it happens that it falls further from here, then the first level we shall look at is the 1.5741. Right, one of the exhaustion level, right, being measured by the Fibonacci expansion. Right, last but not least, we shall take a look at the New Zealand against the US dollar. So price actually break lower. It breaks new low, touches the low of 0.7666, and then it rebounded off. Alright, zooming the 1 hourly chart, there was actually a falling trend, a new falling trend channel, I would say so. Alright, as you can see over here. So while price is still retracing, the first level we shall look at is somewhere at the top of this trend channel, or if not, somewhere close to the retracement level of 38.2% at the price of 0.7806. Alright, and if price were to appreciate even further, then the key level would be at the retracement level of 61.8%, price of 0.7892, which will also at the same time coincides with the 200 moving averages, right? So that will give a very strong resistance, right, if it were to reach this level. So that's for the Kiwi against the US dollar. Alright, next I'm going to touch on a few other currency pair. First is the Australia against the US dollar. Alright, so this is the 1 hourly chart. We do see that there was a falling trend channel. Price has touches the top of the falling trend channel and fell all the way down, breaking below the falling trend channel, touches and make, yeah, there's a new low, and broke new low at the price of 0.8551. And then right now we are starting to see a retracement. Alright, so the first level we shall look at is at the price of 23.6%. Well, but a stronger level would be the 38.2% at the price of 0.8688. Alright, cool. So that is for the Australia against the US dollar. Next is the Australia against the New Zealand dollar, the Aussie against the Kiwi. This is the 4 hourly chart. So back then price has touches the previous high at 1.1291. Alright, came down all the way. As we can see, there is a rising trend line over here as well, and that itself forms an ascending triangle. So price has broken below one of the key support level at 1.1151. Right, zooming in a little bit to a 1 hourly chart, it retraces back to the previous support level at 1.1151, and it came down. So back to the 4 hourly chart, we are seeing the price is falling all the way down to the bottom of this ascending triangle. So we do expect price to fall further, and therefore back to the 1 hourly chart, this retracement itself back to this level, it gives a signal to shorts, to go for the shorts all the way back to the bottom of the ascending triangle. Alright, so this can be a trade to trade. Alright, and next, just want to touch on the pound against the Australian dollar. So this is the 4 hourly chart. Sorry, this is the 4 hourly chart. Alright, so we're seeing the price came all the way down. Alright, there's a falling trend channel, came out to the top, retraced a little bit, and it just breaks above. And look at the 1 hourly chart. There is a probable rising trend channel that's forming. Alright, but then price just broke above it and came down, touches the top of this previous rising trend channel. So what we want to do is that we would like to find out how far will it retrace, because over here we are quite sure that the pound will appreciate against Australian dollar a little bit further after breaking above this falling trend channel in the 4 hourly chart. So back to the 1 hourly chart, let's plot a Fibonacci retracement. Alright, so the first level I would say is the or rather I would say the key level that I would like to look at is the 30.2%. Right, so that is the price of 1.8431. Yep, so just wait for retracement over here. Well, try not to rush into the trade right now, because the reversal can be pretty strong right here. And although it is supported at the top of this trend line, but it may retrace a little bit. It may retrace even further. So just wait for the retracement to complete. At least touches the price of 1.8431 at retracement level of 30.2%. Alright, and finally, I would like to touch on the euro against Australian dollar. This is something that's really very interesting. I would like to go to day one chart first. Alright, you can see that over here I've plotted a Fibonacci retracement, and right now price has been resisted at the price of 1.4576, retracement level of 38.2%. And if we take a closer look, we do see that price has been resisted at this level, alright, since September itself. And we can see that price is about to fall from this level. Alright, so this might be the good chance to go for the short for the euro against Australian dollar. Right. Yep, so that is pretty much for today. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.